Are you in need of splitting Excel file into multiple small files? Introducing SysTools Excel Splitter Tool. Best tool to split large Excel files based on rows count, size, and sheets. Key features of the software. Excel Splitter Tool split large XLSX or XLS files into multiple small files. Excel Splitter Tool provides two options to add your files, Add Files or Add Folder option. The software provides multiple split options, split by row, split by size, and split by sheet. Preserves data integrity and security while splitting large Excel files. To install the software, download from the link in the video description. After installing the software, simply launch it. The first screen will appear. Click on Split Excel button. In this screen, you will see two options to add your data. Add Files or Add Folder option. Click on any one. Select Excel Files. And click on Open button. You can remove the added wrong file by clicking on Remove or Remove All option. After satisfying with the added data, click on Next button to continue the process. In Split Options, you will see multiple options to split Excel files. In Split by Row feature, users can choose the desired row count to break the Excel files into multiple files. In Split by Size, users can choose the size as per requirements such as MB and GB. Split by Sheet can separate sheets into individual files from complex Excel files. Now, select the destination path. Software saves the resulted file on the desktop. If you want to change, then click on Change button. Select the folder where you want to save the resultant files. At last, click on Split button. Software will start the split process. Once the process is completed, Split Process Completed successfully pops up. Click on OK. The software will show the final status report with total item count, success file count, and failed file count. Click on the View Report. You will see split resultant Excel file. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.